The Ford government is looking to expand health insurance coverage for wildland firefighters and investigators.
The soon-to-be introduced legislation, if passed, will give them the same WSIB coverage for occupational cancers, heart injuries, and post-traumatic stress disorder as municipal firefighters. Jessica Clement has the details.
Ontario's Labour Minister David Piccini is addressing health coverage for municipal, volunteer, and wildland firefighters. At a media conference in Brantford Monday morning, he announced new legislation and regulatory changes planned by his government.
We're also proposing to ensure wildland firefighters and investigators have the same presumptive coverage that municipal firefighters have for occupational cancers, heart injuries, and PTSD. This is especially important as Ontario confronts a changing climate that brings new and extreme weather and wildfire risks.
Piccini also announced that, if passed, the proposed legislation will expand presumptive coverage to all firefighters and investigators for skin cancer,
reducing the duration of service required from 15 years to 10. We will once again, with this move, lead Canada in the lowest duration of service required in the country.
Ontario Professional Firefighters Association President Greg Horton was also at the news conference. He noted that cancer is the leading cause of death among firefighters, with 74% of line-of-duty deaths caused by cancers. He says he's glad the government sees that the current legislation requires updating to ensure fairer treatment for firefighters and their families.
The importance of this recognition to firefighters and their families cannot be understated. Those that become ill no longer have to worry about the loved ones they leave behind. On behalf of my brother and sister firefighters and their families, I'd like to thank Premier Doug Ford, Minister of Labour David Piccini, Solicitor General Michael Kersner for their unwavering support for firefighters across Ontario.
Jessica Clement, TBT News.